Fisker Ocean to ramp production to 300 units per day. Electric vehicle maker Fisker stated that it is ramping the production of its all-electric Ocean crossover SUV to 300 units per day. The company also expressed its intentions to expand its retail operations in North America and Europe. The production of the Fisker Ocean currently stands at about 180 units per day. With the company's intended ramp, the Ocean's production should increase to 300 units per day in the fourth quarter. The company expects to hit this run rate around October. The Fisker Ocean will be available in European markets, such as Austria, Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, as well as Canada and the United States. In a press release, Fisker noted that production partner Magna Steyr had built a total of 3,123 Ocean units. Just under 3,000 of these vehicles have been handed over to Fisker. And over 450 Oceans have either been delivered or are in the process of being delivered to customers in the United States. Europe has received almost 1,000 vehicles, of which 325 have been delivered. Fisker chairman and CEO Henrik Fisker issued a comment on the matter. "Our customers and reservation holders are always our priority. And we're thanking everyone for their patience as we begin the ramp-up of daily production of the Fisker Ocean this month and through the fourth quarter. Over 3,000 vehicles have been built to date, and we'll soon be moving to approximately 300 vehicles per day with our manufacturing partner, Magna. In lockstep with this, customer deliveries will be expanding even more in the United States, from the East Coast to various other regions. Rest assured that we are pushing our logistics providers and teams to get Fisker vehicles in the hands of our exceptional customers. Our early customers have been with us as pioneers, giving us valuable feedback to make our car even better. I will never forget the commitment that these customers have shown. The result of their feedback is now showing up in our vehicles," he said. Fisker did note, however, that it expects to receive 5,000 Fisker Ocean 1 Launch Edition vehicles from Magna by the end of September. Deliveries of these vehicles may stretch into October. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslaupdate.